Hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general no contact love reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are the person that you are in no contact or no communication with. We have the star card, the ace of swords, and the magician. Bottom of the deck is the chariot. From deep inside, this person is having a strong determination to not to stop for any to not to stop their life for anything or anyone, and to keep moving forward regardless of the positivities and the negativities that they are facing in their life right now. I don't think so their deep rooted feelings are connected to this situation only or concerned about this situation only. Right now they are in that zone of their life. They are in the uh, you know in they are in that phase of their life where they are feeling like, okay, I have to be successful, I have to be victorious, I have to keep moving forward. When it comes to the conscious level energies of this connection, this person is feeling like they are quite optimistic and positive, and with a positive mindset, with a positive and hopeful energy, they're manifesting clarity, they're manifesting some kind of truth to come out in the situation, so that like both of you can decide maybe to move forward in this direction with each other, and or maybe both of you will be able to have full on closure with which both of you will be able to move on, especially this person. I don't think so. Right now, this person is feeling like they're very much concerned about you or your energies towards the situation. Right now, they feel like they should remain optimistic and positive and hopeful, and they should keep on manifesting clarity and truthfulness. And at some point of time, things are going to be crystal clear between you guys, and everything is going to be right in front of you guys, both of you. The truth, the clarity of the situation. That is what they're feeling. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Page of Wands, the Sun card, and the King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. This person wants to get out of this disappointment, this dissatisfaction, this not so happy energies around them that they're continuously facing in their life because of multiple failures in their love and relationship area. They want to get out of this disappointment. They definitely want to start a chapter with you, restart a chapter with you. They want the happiness back, the happy go lucky childlike energies back, the passion back that you guys used to share with each other. So this person wants to share a very beautiful, happy go lucky, positive, clear, crystal clear kind of a connection and bond with you, especially if you guys share a children together, like a child together, or if one of you was a very serious person and another person was adding a child like innocent energy to the mix. In those scenarios, this person definitely wants to come back together, create a very beautiful, positive, happy go lucky environment together, and work on this situation with proper clarity and understanding of this is how we are going to take it forward. For those of you who are dealing with the two energies at the same time, if your person is dealing with another energy too, they want to keep the balance between you and them. I don't think so they want to leave anything or anyone behind and be with you properly. I don't think so. I strongly can feel it, and I strongly I'm getting it, that if they're already married or committed to somebody else also, they want to keep that connection also, and they want to keep things between you and them on a friendly level, on a happy go lucky level. I don't think so right now they are very much deep into this energy of commitment or marriage with you. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of July 2026, Libra. We have the Three of Wands and the Ace of Cups and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. By no means this person is planning to take any kind of action towards you, towards the situation at all right now. They are right now working on the heavy and burdensome kind of responsibilities that they are going through in their life. Apart from this situation, they are having a lot of things that they are sorting out in their own individual life. They are busy in doing that only. Right now they don't have any plan to come towards you. They are looking forward to have that kind of deal with which at some point of time you guys will be able to reopen this connection again, reopen this situation again. But right now they are like, even if they feel from time to time to reconnect, they just shut it down. Right now they are busy shutting things down whenever it comes to this situation between you and them. They are looking forward to have this reconnection, this friendship kind of a deal with you at some point of time, but not right now. Right now they are in this shutdown mode because they have other responsibilities, other things in their life that they are super focused on. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this situation for this month, Libra. We have the Three of Swords, Five of Wands, and the Lovers. Bottom of the deck is the World card. You have to, if you are waiting for a closure from this person's side, this is your closure that they are not interested in coming forward towards you right now. This is your closure. This is your closure that they are not talking to you when you want to talk to them. They are not available for you when you want them to be available with you. This is your closure. I am giving you the closure. You yourself have this closure within yourself. But if you are still waiting for the closure, keep on waiting because it's never going to happen. The way you want this person to back to you, to run behind you, to chase you, to feel sorry for you, to feel sorry for the things that they did, that might never happen. And especially if this person is continuously putting you in third party situations, continuously putting you in conflicts and chaoses, and continuously breaking your heart, hurting you, hurting your sentiments, hurting your emotions. Guess who is the one to blame here? Why the hell are you allowing anybody to put you into these kind of situations where they are treating you as an option, where they are treating you as a doormat? Whenever they feel like they should come, they are coming in your life. Whenever they feel like they should leave, they are leaving your life. And then this drama, this chaos, and putting you into options or putting you into third parties, you might be blaming the universe, you might be blaming them, but you are the one to blame here, Libra. This is simple as that. If you are going to allow people to walk all over you, if you are going to allow people to treat you as a doormat, to treat you as an option, you are the one to blame here. If after all of this, well, like of whatever happened with you till this point of your time, you are still waiting and hoping for somebody to give you a closure, you are a fool, Libra. You are the biggest fool. You yourself is not respecting yourself. You yourself is not respecting your life that existence gave you. You yourself is the reason that you're suffering. Period. This is the guidance. If you are going to allow somebody to treat you like shit, you are going to be treated like shit. If you are going to allow somebody to put you into third parties, you are going to be continuously like put into third parties situations and conflicts and chaos and whatnot. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and pause whenever you feel like. I'm going to give, okay, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. We have let go as the answer for you guys, if it is making sense, Libra. Let me read from this card, this guidebook. At first glance, this card might seem to be suggesting that you give up your current pursuit, but that is not the message. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. Yep, that's the answer. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.